Hey, it's Forecast Steve. Another winter storm is going to affect portions of the South, Mid-Atlantic, and the Northeast, bringing a chance of snow and ice. Let's take a look to see what you can expect. By 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday morning, an area of freezing rain is forecasted to develop over western Tennessee. Several sources of lift are predicted to be present that will support this area of precipitation. In the upper levels at 300 millibars, western Tennessee and surrounding areas will be in the right entrance region of a jet streak where synoptic lift often occurs. In the mid to upper levels, western Tennessee and surrounding areas will be downstream of a series of shortwave troughs where lift often occurs. These shortwave troughs and their lift will move eastward during the day. In the lower levels, warm air advection and associated overrunning will provide additional lift over western Tennessee and surrounding areas. By 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Thursday, rain and pockets of mixed precipitation will be present over eastern Tennessee, while light snow will be falling in Kentucky. Also notice that there is a broad area of light snow that has swung down from the northwest that will be over portions of Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, and Missouri. This broad area of snow is the result of lift ahead of a few shortwave troughs aloft, as shown here. In addition, this region will be in the right entrance region of an upper-level jet streak where lift often occurs. By 1 a.m. Friday, the shield of snow over Kentucky merges with the broader area of snow to the west, associated with the shortwave trough to form a larger area of light snow. By 7 a.m. Friday, the large shield of snow has spread eastward and will be over portions of the mid-Atlantic and the northeast. Also notice that an area of low pressure has formed along a front off of the east coast. By 1 p.m. Friday, the area of low pressure will have strengthened and will be further off of the east coast, but the large shield of snow will lag behind it, remaining over the mid-Atlantic and northeast. By 7 p.m. Friday, what remains of the large shield of snow will be over portions of the mid-Atlantic and northeast, with some scattered snow showers in the higher elevations of Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and North Carolina, as well as some lake effect snow downwind of some of the Great Lakes. And by 7 a.m. Saturday, the area of low pressure will be well offshore of the east coast, with an area of very strong high pressure building in from the west, bringing in much colder air over the region. In fact, temperatures will be on the order of tens of degrees Fahrenheit below average over much of the central and eastern U.S. Saturday morning. A large swath of snow is predicted to fall during this event. In this whole swath, possible totals range from half of an inch to up to around a foot in some locations. The highest totals will be located downstream of the Great Lakes, due to the addition of lake effect snow, and in higher elevations in areas such as West Virginia. For most other locations in this swath, at least 2 to 3 inches of accumulation are possible. Small amounts of freezing rain are predicted, with ice accretion exceeding 0.05 of an inch in some locations. This amount of ice is enough to cause slick conditions. This forecast graphic is from the Weather Prediction Center, and it shows the potential impacts from this storm. A large area of the country is expected to have at least some impacts from winter weather. There are a few areas of moderate to major impacts where driving conditions will be hazardous or dangerous, so extra caution should be used while driving. However, in the red shaded areas, travel should be avoided if possible due to dangerous or impossible driving conditions. This winter storm will have several impacts. Snow is expected to fall in portions of the Midwest, Mid-Atlantic, and Northeast on Thursday and Friday. The greatest snow accumulations will occur downstream of the Great Lakes and in higher elevations. Freezing rain and ice may occur in portions of Tennessee, southern Kentucky, northern Mississippi, western North Carolina, southwestern Virginia, and east central Arkansas. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe.